Bitcoin to bank. Understanding the time frame.
Hello there. Today we are going to talk about how long it takes to transfer Bitcoins to your bank account. Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, operates on a decentralized system. However, to use it in your everyday life, you might need to convert it to traditional currency, like US dollars, euros, or whatever your local currency is. Let's dive into the process of how we can do this and how much time it typically takes.
What does it mean to transfer Bitcoins to your bank account?
When you're talking about transferring Bitcoins to your bank account, what you're really referring to is selling your Bitcoins in exchange for a currency that your bank uses, like dollars, pounds, euros, etc. Since banks don't typically deal directly with Bitcoin, you'll have to use a cryptocurrency exchange to facilitate this transaction.
How long does the process typically take?
It's important to note that this process takes two general steps. 1. Selling your Bitcoin. This involves placing a sell order on a cryptocurrency exchange. How long this takes can vary, depending on how busy the exchange is and the current trading volume. This could be almost instantaneous, or it could take a few hours. 2. Withdrawing your funds to your bank account. Once you've sold your Bitcoin, the cash will be deposited into your account with the exchange. You then need to withdraw these funds to your bank account. The speed of this step will largely depend on the policies of the exchange and the processing times of your bank. This can take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days, but it can be longer in some cases. So overall, the process can take from a few hours to a week. However, it's important to check with the specific exchange you're using, as each one will have its own processes and timelines.
Can this process be expedited?
In some cases, the process can be expedited. Certain exchanges offer priority or express withdrawals for an additional fee, which can reduce the withdrawal time. However, not all exchanges offer this, and even if they do, it doesn't necessarily mean that your bank will process the incoming transfer any faster. So, to sum up, transferring Bitcoins to your bank account is actually a two-step process of selling your Bitcoin and then withdrawing the resulting cash to your bank. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a week, depending on various factors. If you're in a hurry, see if your exchange offers priority withdrawals, but remember that your bank's processing times are also a factor. We hope this video helps you understand the time frame for this process. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency insights and tips.